Calathea come in many different shapes and sizes. They really are beautiful plants that can brighten up the dark corners of your home and are relatively easy to care for. Here I have a Calathea trio star, which has bright raspberry pink leaves on the underside, which you can see throughout the day as it curls and unfurls. A Calathea ornata, which has broad leaves and thin, pinky white stripes. A Calathea zebrina, which has deep green markings that make it look like an animal print. An interesting thing about Calatheas is the way they move each day to catch the light. If you look at the position of the leaves in the morning, they will have changed by the night time. They unfurl their leaves to catch the most light in the morning and curl themselves up at night. Calathea like high humidity, drought-free conditions, and they like a temperature of at least 16 degrees. They should be placed in a light room, but not in direct sunlight, as it can burn the leaves, and that would mean they'd lose their fantastic colour, which would be a huge shame. When it comes to watering Calathea, it's quite tricky to get it exactly right. What you want to do is make sure they're not too wet and not too dry. The best thing to do this is your finger. Stick your finger in the pot, and if the compost is just moist, that's perfect. If it's dry, give them some water. If it's wet, leave them well alone. They do prefer rainwater, but if all you have is tap water, that's absolutely fine. You can feed the plant every month with a balanced liquid fertilizer, and that'll help it keep it looking nice and healthy. If you do happen to spot any problems with your Calathea, these are probably caused by overwatering or underwatering, or perhaps the temperature levels aren't quite right. If you do take time to water them with the right amounts of water and keep them in indirect sunlight, they really are easy to care for plants that will brighten up your indoor space. For more information on how to grow Calathea, visit the RHS website.